Hi, in this video we are going to see how we can send one page data to another page. So for that we take one text field. I centralize in center, set width 200, 300, 300. I remove background, unset. So currently we have one text field, and that text field value passed to another page. So first I create navigate to another page, open the and define the parameter. Second page, parameter. Here parameter define, add parameter, user name, string, confirm, and that username now is proper. In a practice, open the action, username, and username's value select from widget text field. So what I do here, in text fields value navigate to second page, and on a second page, in second page in a this text will catch username value. Page parameter, default value double dash. Now we instant reload. Now changes are reflected, and now I want to add here Nilesh Patel, and when I click navigate button, then on a second page Nilesh Patel username are shown here. So this way we can pass one page data to another page in a flutterflow UI.